Do you need to replace the speakers on your Inspiron 15-3520? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. If you have the smaller capacity 3-cell battery, just unscrew and remove it. And if you have the larger 4-cell battery, there's just one additional screw and the process is the same. Disconnect the speaker cable. Then remove the speakers. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.